It is day 20 of the Advent calendars. So here is Ipsy. And day 20 is here. There it is. Let's see what's in there. This has some stuffing in there. Okay. This is the lovely little bag balm, the skin moisturizer. So this is good for so many things. It is original. It says it works wonders on dry skin. So I know this has helped me with, you know, dry patches, things like that. If your hands get really, really rough during the winter, perfect for that. You know, your heels, all kinds of stuff like that it's good for. And that's a good size container because you just need a little bit. So that'll last a little while. So I will be putting that in my medicine cabinet. All right, Camille. And then number 20 of the Space NK. Woo! When I took out the other one, it did the same thing. There's 20. And this says for hair that's having a hard time. Ooh, okay. This is JVN brand. Complete Instant Recovery Serum. Made with clean hemisqualane. Hemisqualane? So I'll read what it says in the book. The Space NK came with a book. JVN Complete Instant Recovery Serum. Help protect hair from heat damage and visibly reduce split ends with this gorgeous hair serum. Let me open it up. The box is a little smashed in there. Camille, stop that. There's a little instruction thing going on there. And look at that pretty packaging. If Camille would sit down, it matches her. And this is what it looks like. It looks like a very thick sulfate-free, color-safe, vegan, silicone-free. Oh, wow. Oh, it smells good. It's a nice thick cream. It doesn't have a seal. It smells really good. It doesn't have a strong scent, but it smells good. So that is very nice. The JVN is a wonderful brand. And that is our that's our Advent calendars for today. I have a couple of things for the treasure, the Christmas treasure hunt, if you're playing that. There's 3 things. So you can say 3 things or you can read them out, whatever's easier for you. We have the Wet n Wild blush that I just got in my Walmart box. We have this also from the Walmart box, Blue Glacial Oceanic Clay Mask. I'll probably never use that. And then there is, I have the LA Colors Browy Wowie Skinny Brow Pencil. And that is in, there's the color there. Does it say the color? Skinny Tip. Creates hair like strokes. Okay. Medium brown is what it's called. So that is for that. Thank you for stopping by and count your blessings, everybody. The Ipsy calendar number 20 is the bag balm. Look how cute that little tin is. And there is the label so you can see it. It'll focus. Skin moisturizer. Original. Oops. And the Space NK, there's 20 way near the top. And here is today's product, JVN Complete Instant Recovery Serum.